I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather after a great afternoon with highs in the mid-60s to around 70 and light winds. More frost is likely tonight with those light winds continuing, clear skies and lows in the 30s. The approach of low pressure leads to strengthening southeast winds tomorrow. Also an increase in clouds keeping our highs tomorrow in the low to mid-60s. As that low moves across the southern plains, showers and some thunderstorms are possible late tomorrow night through Friday. Higher chances are over Kansas, while a little light rain may make it to along and just north of I-80. Clouds hold our highs to mostly the mid-50s to the low 60s for Friday through Monday. Chances for occasional rain and a few thunderstorms return Sunday night through Tuesday when low pressure tracks southeast out of the Pacific Northwest. Highs by Tuesday dropping into the 50s. Windy conditions also kick in on the backside with possible northerly wind gusts up to 45 for Tuesday and Wednesday. In a slightly cooler change, the long-term forecast now indicating mostly seasonal or near-normal temperatures for Nebraska and Kansas the early half of next week before a change to slightly warmer than normal temperatures late next week through the first 4 days of November. Above normal rainfall predicted for Nebraska and Kansas early next week. Late next week through November 4th, the outlook trends below normal rainfall for Nebraska and Kansas. Key weather factors the markets are watching include a couple of more chances of rain in the U.S., including possibly heavy rain for the southern plains and a drier outlook for central Brazil. Slowly exiting low pressure continues unsettled weather from the Great Lakes to the northeast. Across the southern plains, scattered rain, some of it heavy, is expected tomorrow through the weekend, which is beneficial to winter wheat establishment. Southern areas in the Midwest may also get rain for Friday through the weekend. Stronger low pressure moves through the plains and Midwest the early to middle part of next week with rain, strong winds, and another drop in temperatures, delaying harvest for a few days. Warmer air in the western U.S. the middle of next week spreads into the plains late next week and the following weekend. Southern Brazil conditions remain favorable with cooler and drier weather this week and rain returning over the weekend. In central Brazil, a brief period of drier weather is helpful for rapid soybean planting before more rain next week keeps conditions favorable. Argentina expects continuing rain this week that keeps conditions favorable for planting and early growth of corn. The favorable trend should continue for soybean planting in Argentina that gets underway in another week or so and increases in November. With your check of ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.